Hello, my name is Caitlin, and welcome to Country Kitchen Sweethearts channel. We are a locally owned baking store where you can find products and ingredients for candy making, cakes, cookies, and more. In this video, I will show you how to make a patterned pumpkin roll. Let us know in the comments if you have made a patterned cake roll like this before. To make a pattern on the cake, you will need to color your cake batter, then carefully pipe the design. This technique may take some practice, but if you start with simple designs, you'll master it in no time. Continue watching this video to learn how we made our pattern on our cake, as well as some tips and tricks for making a rolled cake. Let's get started. To make this pumpkin roll, start by preparing your sheet pan. Measure and cut a piece of parchment paper to fit your half sheet pan. Then lightly spray the pan and lay the parchment on top and press to adhere. Spray the parchment and sides of the pan well with pan spray. Start by mixing 3 eggs in a stand mixer on medium speed until they are lighter in color and slightly thickened. While the eggs are mixing, measure 2/3 cup of pumpkin puree. Be sure to use pumpkin puree and not pumpkin pie mix. Add the pumpkin to the bowl and mix until well combined. Measure 1 2/3 cup of a spiced cake mix and gradually add to the bowl with the mixer on low speed. Mix the batter for about 1 minute, scraping the sides and bottom of the bowl as needed. Add a small amount, about 1/4 cup, of the batter to a bowl to color. We used red and purple gel food color to color the batter. Add this to a pastry bag and set aside. Pour the remaining batter onto your prepared pan and spread and smooth with a spatula. Make sure the batter is smoothed all the way to the edge of the pan. Cut a small hole in the tip of the pastry bag and pipe 3 segments for each pumpkin. When piping these pumpkins, make sure to pipe them close to one edge of the pan, as this will be the top of the rolled cake. Color the remaining batter from the pastry bag with brown gel food color and add the stems of the pumpkins. Bake this cake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 14 minutes or until the cake bounces back when gently pressed. Be sure to have a clean dish towel ready to go when the cake is done baking. Lay your dish towel on your work surface, then flip the cake upside down immediately after the cake is done baking. Keep in mind where the pumpkins are because you will want these to be on the outside of the roll. Dust the cake with powdered sugar to prevent the towel from sticking to the cake. Roll the cake and towel together, starting with the side that does not have pumpkins, and set aside to cool. While the cake is cooling, mix your buttercream or cream cheese frosting. If you are using homemade or pre-made vanilla buttercream, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of cream cheese emulsion to 1.5 to 2 cups of frosting. Once the cake is cool, carefully unroll it. Spread the frosting in a thin, even layer on the back side of the cake roll. If there are any cracks in your cake, be careful when smoothing the frosting. These cracks will be hidden in the center of the roll. Roll the cake again, this time without the towel, and place on a long rectangle board. Slice this cake and serve it within 2 hours, or wrap with plastic wrap and store in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to our channel and give this video a like. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos you will enjoy. Leave us a comment down below letting us know if you like this video and if you have made a cake like this before. Also, be sure to leave any questions below. If you would like to see more videos like this one, check out the miscellaneous desserts playlist on our channel. Stay updated on our newest products by visiting our website and clicking on the new tab. You can also see our new products and our video reels by following us on Facebook and Instagram. Check out the description box below to find our social media links. We love to see your creations and how you use products from our store, so be sure to tag us in your posts. Thank you again for watching. See you next time.